hands have made me and fashioned me. Give me understanding that I may learn your commandments, your commandments. Your hands have made me and fashioned me. Those that fear you will be glad when they see me, because I've hope in your word. I know, Lord, that your judgments are right and that you inflict.
So this is how we're building some of the solar panel brackets. We're having to build these, assemble them, and then we're going to disassemble them and ship them. What version is this?
Yeah, this is revision like 3.0.
And what day is it?
Yeah, we're leaving Monday.
And it's Wednesday.
It is Wednesday.
It's Wednesday, so yeah. It's coming along though. This thing looks great. As you saw on the other one that we were drilling, that big long crush, we actually got it finished. That's pretty long. That's, was it 27 feet?
27.
Yeah, this is 27 feet long, about. And this was the first version. That one's going away. This is what it's going to look like now. And yeah, these are all the other pieces for it. So yeah, we are about to assemble this one. I wish I was in a pool right now.
There we go.
Yeah, so now we got to drill these just like those over there. Second one down. One more. It's currently 5:37. That's an hour behind. We've got our bags. That's pretty cool. MFI. Yeah. Ooh. Just waiting to take off now. Got all of our stuff packed on the plane, I think. Yep, all our bags. This is pretty cool. I have to I'll have to show the airplane in a minute once we get ready to load up. This is a little bit nicer than a commercial airline, I would say.
Yeah,
In some ways, it's a lot quieter. That's a pretty plane.
that's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Hello. Bag should fit under your seat. If they don't, I don't know where else to put it.
That's level. We're sitting like that. What do they call these? Tail draggers?
Mm-hmm.
that in a commercial airline. Alright, so we're here. Got through the airport. Ooh, I don't know if that's maybe a little dark. Got out of the airport, came here. This is the compound. I don't have much time, so I don't know how these videos are going to work. So I'm just going to kind of update you and see, or show you what, show you what we're going to be doing. So this is the first thing that we're going to be doing. This is all the solar equipment. This stuff is moving to another building. We're having to rewire these. That's well, I'm gonna bring it over here. That's the batteries for the solar. That's the combiner, I think it's called. There it is. Yep, and that pipe right there goes to that combiner I just showed you. Those are all the solar panels. So the three main things that are having to move, that we're having to move, is dark. It's the inverter, those batteries over there just behind the wall, and then the solar panels just on top of the roof. So all those three things, they're moving over here. I'll show you how far away. They're moving to on top of that building. Just on top of that building. That's the new shop. That other building over there is the old shop. So yeah, we're having to, that's some of the wire right there, you can see it. So we're gonna have to rerun a bunch of the wire, and yeah, we're kind of getting started on it. This is the first day we're here. And what time is it? It's 3:30 right now, so hopefully we can get it done. I'll be updating as often as I can in between twisting a wire or running something. I'm telling you.
Business meeting.
Business meeting? Yeah. How many times have we
This is like 4.
revision 4?
4.0.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see the roof. Yeah, all the solar panels are going to go on top of that roof on the other side. So we just got this wood cut. This is going to be our backer board. We're going to put all of our equipment in the corner. And that's where all this stuff is going to mount. So that's the first thing on the list. Okay, so we're currently taking care of the mouse problem that they have here. So we're officially electricians by day and mouse hunters by night. I'll check back in the morning. Yeah, hopefully we've got a catch. That's a mahogany tree, and they're just chopping it down with a machete, and they're gonna burn it. This thing is massive. Alright, so first thing that we've done today, the new morning, we've got this panel mounted, and then we mounted this panel. We drilled through to outside. On that one, we're about to do a third one. Those are going to be weather heads. That way we can control all the buildings from this panel right here. And this is going to be from the generator. One of those wires is going to come in and feed this panel, which is going to feed all of the solar equipment, which is going to go right here. And we may be moving that today. But yeah, so just imagine a panel right here. Okay, so this is the outside of the panels. That's the two weather heads. We got a third one right there. And those are the panels for all the generator stuff. And right now we're actually going to be working on the generator. Now we're going from the generator, this big yellow box, all the way to the shop right across the building. I'm inspecting, making sure you're gonna do it right.
It'll be fine.
We've gone pretty far. Like I was showing you before, that those weather heads outside, that's where the wire goes, and we're prepping other wire to hook up to that wire. So anyway, a lot of this is just going to be confusing. It's kind of hard to explain on a camera, but I'm mostly doing this just to, as much as I can, keep you guys in the loop, just to show you what we've been doing and what we will be doing over the course of this week. All right, and then we reran this. See the mast goes up through the tin down there. Inside we made it in to the panel on the breaker, and then from there it's gonna go and run on one of these wires over to the building. So that's how far we've gotten so far. I'm gonna continue to make as many updates as I can in between jobs that I'm doing. Yeah, we're just gonna about call it a day. It's been about 5 hours, probably about 5 hours since I last turned the camera on. Yeah, we did a ton of stuff, but we got some temporary hookups for today. Tomorrow we're going to be moving like inverters, batteries, solar panels. So tomorrow's going to be a huge day. Hopefully I'll be able to film it. Alright, so that's a new panel. We rewired that one. We got rid of another panel in there. We put all of the wires from both of these panels into this one. So we took a bunch of stuff out of the equation. We cut down on a lot of wire and made it a lot more efficient. So that'll about do it for today, and see you guys tomorrow. That's when the real fun starts.